Hey everyone, I'm Steel Lafferty with MasterCraft. Today, I'll be walking you through the XT22. The XT22 has been incredibly popular for years. In addition to world-class waves and wakes, signature comfort, and endless customization, this MasterCraft model hits a sweet spot in terms of size. With enough room for 16, plus the ability to be easily towed and stored, the XT22 is truly the best of both worlds. The XT22 features SurfStar, the industry's leading surf system with the most symmetric and adjustable waves on the market. From steep and barreling to long and mellow, simply select a preset and the XT22 creates the perfect wave to accommodate any riding style or skill level. New for 2024, SurfStar includes built-in foiling profiles for both left and right side riders. Like all models in our XT family, the XT22 is recognized as a balanced performer, whether you're surfing, wakeboarding, or foiling. And cut your wait time nearly in half with optional fast fill ballast. The high flow pumps used in MasterCraft's fast fill technology will fill or drain ballast in a matter of minutes. New for 2024, the XT22 comes standard with underwater exhaust. MasterCraft's underwater exhaust substantially reduces fumes and noise in and behind the boat, so you can better enjoy good music and great conversations. It's our belief that your on-water experience needs to be elevated both behind the boat and inside the boat. Underwater exhaust creates a more refined experience for those on board. When you're ready to get in and out of the water, your crew can do so with ease thanks to an optional flip-down swim step and a standard transom walkthrough. The XT22 comes equipped with integrated transom seating. The sliding base is standard and a flip-up backrest can be added to take your lounging to the next level. And with storage trays under the transom rear hatches, you can easily access vests and robes from either side of the transom, or you can opt for the new rear storage nets. With seating for up to 16 people, the XT22 cockpit still has plenty of space for your crew. Its U-shaped seating area is perfect for entertaining, and the optional convertible flip seat allows passengers to enjoy conversations in the boat or watch the action behind it. Even better, the XT22 provides extensive underseat storage, offering built-in cooler locations and hinged seating to allow for plenty of room below deck. Don't forget, you can keep your family cool on the hottest of days with an upgrade to CoolFeel, a unique material that stays up to 30% cooler than the standard marine vinyl. With MasterCraft, there's no need to shy away from those dark vinyl options that fit best with your custom design. We've got you covered. The XT22 comes standard with 4 phone holders in the cockpit area. These holders were intentionally placed under the gunnel to keep phones safe and out of direct sunlight. Even better, all 4 of the phone holders can be upgraded with wireless charging. Throughout the XT22, you'll find Klipsch audio, ensuring that you and your crew can enjoy high-quality acoustic entertainment. The XT22 comes standard with our advanced audio package. 6 speakers are spread throughout the boat for an immersive experience. The XT22 can be equipped with 3 different tower options, Z6, Z8, and the Z10. All towers come standard with easy-to-use, redesigned clamping board racks. Combined with our updated Bimini board storage, you're getting the most board storage in the industry. The Z8 and Z10 towers can be customized with colored inlays to show off your style and really punctuate your unique design. To elevate your ride, load your tower up with up to 4 speakers for the ultimate experience behind the boat. Behind the wheel of the XT22, the added features developed by our engineering staff make more out of your time on the water. The helm comes standard with a 7-inch screen setup, allowing you to fill ballast, select your favorite wave setting, and crank up the music at your fingertips. Upgrade to a dual screen dash with a tower camera to take your helm views to the next level. And the XT22 is equipped with a standard wireless phone charger below the dash to keep your phone full of power. The XT22 is also equipped with telematics, allowing remote access to your boat's health and vitals anywhere in the world, all through the MasterCraft Connect app. The standard telematics box installed in your XT22 shows critical boat data like battery and fuel levels, build status, and engine health, all while keeping your local dealer up to speed with your service needs. And for 2024, telematics gets even better. Digital switching is now integrated into the MasterCraft Connect app, meaning you can remotely control your boat's battery switch. Plus, you can receive notifications for critical alarms and GPS geofencing alerts. The XT22 features a beautiful pickle fork bow that has become a hallmark of MasterCraft's design DNA. An open walkway leads into the bow, and we also offer a filler cushion if playpen seating works best for your family's lifestyle. Lastly, there's plentiful storage throughout the bow, and we have dedicated anchor storage on centerline. In addition to unparalleled performance and comfort to your crew, the XT22 delivers on quality with a deeper feel and more freeboard. The XT22 is handcrafted, developed with the highest quality materials and tested relentlessly. Using the best materials in the build process ensures that we deliver an unparalleled ride and drive and undoubtedly the best on-water experience out there. With the XT22, you also receive an option for a custom trailer to match your boat. Choose your own colors, wheels, graphics, and opt for fiberglass fenders, a backup camera, electronic brakes, or a tire pressure monitoring system for a premium towing experience. We also partner with companies who share our beliefs to bring you the best product possible, like Ilmor Marine. Ilmor is world-renowned for hand-building race car engines, and they are the exclusive engine supplier for MasterCraft. These bulletproof engines are backed with an unrivaled warranty, 7 years or 1,000 hours. Our award-winning dealer network is spread across the country and the world to ensure you get the best customer service out there. And each boat comes standard with MasterCare, the best warranty on the water, featuring a 5-year, 500-hour comprehensive warranty with minimal exclusions. Put simply, the XT22 is popular for a reason. With limitless customization in and behind the boat, we hope you get a chance to experience the XT22 for yourself. To learn more about the XT22, please contact your local MasterCraft dealer or head to mastercraft.com.